Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best dolls is probably one of the most anticipated gifts for young girls during the holiday season, sparking imagination and hours of creative play, making it a timeless choice that continues to be a top contender year after year for its ability to foster storytelling and social development as children engage with their new companions. Number 5. PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings. Introducing the PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings. These beautiful rings are designed for endless imaginative play. Each ring is adjustable to fit little fingers perfectly. You'll love the variety, as there are no duplicates in this set. Let her imagination soar with these delightful rings. They are ideal for dress-up games and creating magical moments. Looking for a special gift? These rings make a wonderful present for birthdays or Christmas. Designed for safe and engaging play, these rings offer hours of entertainment. Give the gift of sparkle and fun. What we like? If your little one loves to accessorize and play dress-up, these rings are a fantastic choice. They offer a variety of designs without any duplicates, ensuring endless creative combinations for pretend play. Choose this if you're looking for a delightful gift that encourages imagination and sparkling style. What people say. The toy is very sturdy and well-made, with no small parts that could be a choking hazard. My daughter loves the interactive features of this toy, especially the talking animal sounds and the lights that change color. This toy encourages imaginative play and creativity, as it can be used in a variety of ways. Number 4. Kikidex Magnetic Drawing Board, Soft Pink. Looking for a special gift for a toddler? This magnetic drawing board is ideal for birthdays or any occasion. It offers endless fun and learning opportunities for your little artist. This educational toy helps children develop essential skills. It enhances creativity, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition while they learn letters and numbers. Designed with sturdy legs, this drawing board is stable and durable. The adjustable height ensures a comfortable drawing experience for toddlers of different sizes. Crafted from non-toxic, BPA-free ABS material, this toy prioritizes safety. It features rounded corners and a sealed back, ensuring no small parts or sharp edges for safe play. Say goodbye to messy art supplies. This reusable doodle board allows for easy erasing and endless creations. It's an eco-friendly way for kids to enjoy drawing anytime. Use it as a stable drawing table or a portable doodle board. The detachable legs offer flexibility for various play scenarios, making it a versatile addition to playtime. What we like? For toddlers who love to create without the mess, this magnetic drawing board is ideal. It promotes learning and creativity while being incredibly easy to use and clean up. If you're seeking an engaging, eco-friendly toy that supports early development, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The doll has a beautiful design and comes with a variety of accessories. The toy is very interactive and keeps children engaged for hours. It's a great educational toy that helps develop fine motor skills. Number 3. Agoigo Kids Waterproof Action Camera. Introducing the Agoigo Kids Waterproof Action Camera, perfect for boys and girls aged 3 to 12. Let them capture their world in stunning HD video and photos, whether on land or underwater. With its waterproof case, this camera can go up to 98 foot underwater. It's ideal for swimming, surfing, and all their aquatic adventures. Just remember to seal it tight before diving in. Equipped with 5.0 megapixels and 1080p HD video, it offers a 2-inch screen with fun frames and filters. This device dramatically improves photo clarity, ensuring high-quality images and videos for endless fun. Looking for a birthday or Christmas gift? This camera is a fantastic choice for kids aged 3 to 12. It's cute, small, lightweight, and encourages creativity through photo and video capture. This rechargeable camera comes with a 32 GB SD card, allowing thousands of photos. It also includes versatile mounting kits and a lanyard for easy carrying and attachment to skateboards or helmets. It supports photo capture, video recording, and playback, with a delay capture function and date setting. The built-in battery lasts 2 to 3 hours, and it automatically shuts off to save power. What we like? If your child is an adventurous explorer who loves capturing memories, this waterproof action camera is the one. It's perfect for underwater fun and everyday adventures, offering great photo and video quality. Consider this if you want a robust camera that can keep up with active kids aged 3 to 12. What people say. This toy is very engaging and kept my daughter entertained for hours. The design is very cute and the colors are vibrant. It's a great educational toy that helps with fine motor skills. Number 2. Girlmazing 116 Jeep Wrangler RC Car, Pink. Introducing the Girlmazing 116 Jeep Wrangler, the perfect RC car for kids. This vibrant pink version brings adventure to life. Experience thrilling drives with its full-function radio control. You can steer it forward, backward, left, and right with ease. Enjoy the 2.4 GHz radio control system, complete with a turbo boost for extra speed. You can even race with up to 16 vehicles simultaneously. This RC car features an adjustable seat, allowing you to fit your favorite dolls, up to 10 of them, in the driver's seat. Unleash your creativity with the included sticker sheet. Personalize and decorate your Jeep Wrangler to make it uniquely yours. Get ready for hours of fun. This toy is recommended for ages 6 and up. Batteries are required but not included. What we like. For the child who dreams of driving their own adventure, this RC Jeep Wrangler is a thrilling option. It allows for imaginative play with dolls and creative customization. If you're looking for a fun, interactive toy that combines remote control action with role-playing possibilities, this is a great pick. What people say. This toy is very easy to assemble and my daughter loves playing with it. The quality of the material is excellent and it is very durable. It comes with a lot of accessories that add to the fun and playability. Number 1. Meland Doctor Kit with Puppy for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, designed for little ones aged 3 to 6. It's the perfect gift to spark imagination and encourage role-playing. This comprehensive set includes a fluffy puppy, doctor's coat, and all the essential tools like a stethoscope, thermometer, and more. It all fits neatly into a carrying bag. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures. This toy can ease anxieties about doctor visits by allowing them to practice in a fun, pretend setting. With a working stethoscope and adjustable thermometer, children can immerse themselves in realistic role-playing. They can care for dolls or pets, fostering creativity and empathy. Engaging in pretend play helps develop crucial skills like communication and empathy. Your child will build confidence as they take on the role of a doctor. This educational toy set is an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of becoming a doctor or dentist. What we like. If your child has a nurturing spirit and dreams of caring for animals, this Doctor Kit is perfect. It provides a fun and educational way to explore the role of a vet, helping to ease any anxieties about doctor visits. Choose this if you want a toy that builds confidence, empathy, and imaginative play. What people say. This toy is very durable and has held up well to rough play. The design is very appealing to young girls, with bright colors and cute characters. It has multiple functions that keep children entertained for hours, such as lights, sounds, and interactive games. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.